that I will safeguard the county resources and ensure integrity that holds the Constitution in my position as governor. To safeguard the integrity of our payroll and the public service, the county government of Nyamira undertook a process of verification and authentication of academic and professional certificates of our staff. The first batch of 2,821 Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education certificates was submitted to the Kenya National Examination Council for verification. Next submitted a report to us in April, and the report indicates that the subject of 76 certificates were not genuine. 76 certificates were not genuine. We further submitted academic certificates and professional certificates to colleges and universities for the same purpose. The reports, partial reports, indicates that the three officers had 40 diploma and degrees. In total, 79 certificates were found to have forged academic and professional certificates. The report by NEC from NEC indicates alterations of mini grades, subject scores, and exam center codes. In some cases, the index numbers in the certificates did not belong to the officers, while others replaced names and certificates with their own names. The affected departments include Health, which has 24 cases, Finance and Public Service, which has 13 cases each, Governor's Office and the Lands, 9 cases each, Education and Environment, 3 cases each, the Gender, Trade and Public Service Board, 1 case each. The following actions have been taken against the culprits. Immediate stoppage of salaries for 79 individuals, with the letters of notification already dispatched to them. Disciplinary and administrative action against the staff has been initiated. Number 3, the report will be forwarded to DCIA, Directorate of Criminal Investigation, and the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission for further action. The second batch of academic certificates will be submitted to NEC and the mid-level colleges next week for verifications. Further, administration action and irregular promotions. Administration action on irregular promotions, which are 245, will be effected from this month when the County Public Service completes compiling the reports. I assure the great people of Nyamira that this exercise is meant to strengthen the civil service for better service delivery. I can repeat, this is phase 1. We may have up to 4 phases of paying our cleansing. So the action started falling and it will continue. But fairness will be observed. There will be no victimization. There will be no victimization. We are also to be fair to those ones who are following normal promotion channels, because if others take shortcuts and disadvantage others. In this case, we have people who work promotion up to 3 times in 1 year. Some work every year. It's one case, we got another promotion after 1 year. So it's a case of irregularity, and civil service cannot operate with such impunity. Therefore, we are committed to making sure that the civil service of the mirror is clean and people who are committed to serve. End of statement. Thank you.
There is a cadre which is in charge, the officers in charge. Are they also on the radar of being displayed?
The officers who know, IPPD system always records who changed. So the list is already with this Director of Criminal Investigation. Those people who perpetrated this.
The senior most officers affected are those of stewards and above, or directors and above?
We have one director, but others are quite senior. The senior nurses who are treating you.
Then, Your Excellency, maybe before you go to PTUC, you can tell us how many staffs you have and how long will it take for you to do all this process that you said?
We have about 4,100 staff. It is going to take us a maximum of 3 months from now, because audit was done. Most of them were written, letters to explain, they responded. So it's putting together. And it has taken time because we have to be very, very thorough. Make sure that we don't victimize anything. Take reaction, Sedero, not to my patient time, saturated. To another level to 79. 79. Babuate saturated. You go. I will to attend no Musara, Kayuma. And to answer the process local takers. Guarantee the table. I'm Mondara, I think I wanted to get or you are Yakanina Diamond. Yakave, Ramdomari 245. Oramo, 5 stage, I have a figure of an promotion. Promotion is your word, abandoned by my supermarket. It is for this and carry out we call colleagues in Miaka, that's what my own qualified to move to another state. Go to promotion in Shanghai later, Flash Molecule, go, but once, Vale, Vas, we get to it, what type the engine, okay? Over, Victoria, Bacasava, with the community, I say, well, the name is 1 year. There was to be a payroll. People are phase 2, phase 2, and then on phase 4. I can enjoy it that is good. I say, as I was down here, I wanted to certificates. When we legal dropped by 4,000 4,800,000. Lakini ana 2.5 gonna work until the start. Another 3 days. Kera abantu bakimenyeka bugatoka. Bako kubaini aflani sebeti. Colegas, I'm para eso de Silva Lille, haciendo el camino. Nateva, department, Manachira Frank and Israel, the water of the machine. Why I will think of the set to a scene only. When I went there, we start making care of the world. They had finance and public service and church, you got that.